together with some grade 2 students who are going to be asking some questions about our new values. And that is because we've had a strategy group that's had parents and students and teachers come together and look at everything about our guiding statements. And as a result of that, we've changed our values. So the grade 2s have come to ask us all about the new values, how they've been chosen and what they all mean. So I will hand over to the grade 2s.
Miss Firebrace, what does a value mean to you?
Ooh, what does a value mean to me? That's a very, very important question. I think that a value means to me is something that you feel is very important. So what's something that you feel is very important in your life?
My family.
Your family, right? So I bet you're actually brought up within your own family with values. What do mommy and daddy tell you that are very important to do when you're being just a child or to be in the world? What are some important things that you should do? How should you act?
To be kind.
Yeah, so kindness is an example of a value, right? So a value is something that's very important in how you live your life or something that you believe in. But it's more than that. It's how you show action with that. So you can say that you believe in a value. You can say everybody should be kind or everybody should be truthful or everybody should be honest or something like that. But it's actually your actions that show that. Does that make sense? I think values are very important to have, not just in your family homes, but in schools and workplaces and actually within your community. So does that sound good? Understand? Any questions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Jed Petzner. I had values at ISL updated. Can you share the ISL values with us?
Yes, we have 4 new values. Honoring our stories is one of them. Exploring with courage is another one. Leading with care is our 3rd one. And our 4th one is thinking with purpose. So those are our 4 new values.
Hopefully we've always done them, right? But these are the ones that we think are really important in the school.
Mr. Parker, can you explain why honoring our stories are so important to our ISL community?
I can. The reason it's so important is because we come from so many places in the world and we have so many rich stories and experiences. And the starting point in our school is really appreciating all that depth and wealth of experience and understanding where everybody comes from and why they're special. So you've all got special stories. Where do you all come from? So Mika, for example, tell me where places that you've lived.
We have lived in Israel, and I'm from Gvarama. It's a place in Israel.
Yeah, so you've lived in London and a place in Israel. And look at all those experiences that you bring to school. What about you?
I lived in Israel in somewhere called Rehovot, and I also lived here in the UK in London.
Yeah, and that means you've got lots and lots of stories.
I lived in England.
Just in England. But your parents don't just come from one place, do they? Where do they come from?
America and Germany.
America and Germany. And do you sometimes go to America and Germany? And do you have grandparents from America and Germany? And do they come over? Yes. So you can see that already, even in a little group, you've got lots of places and lots of experiences that you bring to the school, and that's what makes it such an interesting place. And if we start by understanding all our cultural richness, that's great.
Miss Firebrace.
Yes.
Why do you think exploring with courage is important for kids and teachers?
Exploring with courage specifically. Well, I think exploring with courage means you've got to do things when you're, what's the word that starts with a B? Well, what do you have to do when you're showing courage? You have to be, what do you have to be?
Resilient?
Yeah, resilience. I was going to get to that, but you jumped to that. You have to be brave. You have to be resilient. Yeah, you have to show all these wonderful characteristics. And when we do this, we grow in life. We become better humans. We understand the world more. So I think showing courage, like when you're afraid to make a mistake, should we be afraid to make mistakes?
No.
Why not? Why shouldn't we be?
Because when you make a mistake, it's all right. Nobody would be mad at you, and also everybody make mistakes.
Yeah, and what happens when you make a mistake? What do you do?
you know what not to do next time.
Yeah, exactly. Or you learn from it, right? Even if it's something like in math and you make a mistake. If you make a mistake, then you learn from it. You're like, oh, that's not the way I should have done this particular problem or something. But you learn and you grow from it. So I think showing courage is very important.
Well, that was a fantastic interview. So that's the best way I can possibly imagine to introduce our values to the whole school community. So thank you so much, Grade 2s, for coming today.
It was a fantastic interview.
Sweet. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really good.
Yeah, that
Really
was
good.
amazing. Great.
In our unit, How We Express Ourselves, we are learning how stories and art express ideas, beliefs, and value.
I understand the word idea. I have ideas all the time. But can somebody explain what the word believe means? A belief is an idea you think is true. For example, having a growth mindset while learning helps you learn. That's my belief.
That makes sense. How about a value? A value is an idea or thing in your life that is important to you. At school, we have values that are important to all of us.
And I also we value that members of our community have a personal story that shapes who we are.
Also, we value courage as growth needs courage.
We interviewed the leaders of our school to learn more about values.